now it slides all the way in. Chef's kiss. They arrived. These are not the balls I ordered. What am I going to do with this?
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
Alright, so here it is again. I redrew it. You can see that. Now, I saw this design somewhere, so it's not my original design. It could have been my wife showed me a Pinterest thing of it, because I get those like 7 times a day. So I just I redrew this. I'm going to bring it into Illustrator so I can get all the Vectrix, and I'm actually going to carve this out on my CNC. I know it's the easy way out, but the reason why I'm doing it is because it's the easy way out, and why not do it easy? Alright, there she is. Hey, how did I do with my hold down? Can't get any closer than that.
And you hit the brakes. Whoa, that was close.
Not bad. Hey guys, Editor Rec right here. Just real quick. I realize how bad the audio is. I don't know why it's doing it. People on YouTube say just use your iPhone, everything's fine. But for some reason my audio is going in and out and I can't seem to figure it out. But I promise you it will get better. Back to the show. Got to do a little cleanup with the router, a little flush trim bit. Alright, a little sanding and I think we're in business. Alright, so I got everything sanded down. So the next task is these guys. My plan is, I bought these on Amazon. You could buy them green, but my thought was the green may not match the green paint I'm going to use for the Grinch. I'm planning to take this off, pour some paint, which is what I got here. It's basically one of those sample ones from Home Depot or wherever. It's the Bear Marquee color sample. I'm basically going to try to pour it in here, swish it around, let it dry. And then I got these guys from Amazon, these Grinch stickers. So my hope is once it's painted, put that on it like that and hang it from the whatever the hell I just made this.
Years later.
My arm is going to fall off.
Master Robin! Oh! You lost your arms in battle!
But looks like it worked. If you do this at home, cut the eyes, nose, and eyebrows separate from the smile and put all this on first and then the smile. Don't put it all on as one sticker. Don't ask me how I know, but since you're putting a flat sticker on a round object, there's a little bit of warping, if you will, when you wrap it around it. So cut it out separately. Alright, so now that I got, you know, the outline of where the white cuff will be, I'm going to start by painting some red on this bottom part. Alright, so I've given the red a chance to dry. I put 2 coats on there because we all know how much MDF likes to suck up moisture. So next I'm going to be adding the white for the cuff thing, the fluffy part of the sleeve. White.
You can't have a pie without Cool Whip. Cool Whip? Cool Whip, yeah. You mean Cool Whip? Yeah, Cool Whip.
Alright, so we got 2 coats of the red and like almost 4 coats of the white. Just because it just shows through on the MDF. I don't know if this is the greatest paint, but just got the green left. What the? I can't see with these on. Now we got to get this guy on here. I'm going to come up with something like a little screw I want to put like right in there. Have this guy hang down. Try to get it the right height. Let's go see what Grandpa has over in the Dutch Masters. Bingo. I think we're going to use one of these little guys. That should do it. right, I hope you guys like the way that this one turned out. It was actually a lot of fun to build. I got the, the CNC is new to me, so I'm still learning how to use it. So it was a good practice for that, and I was still able to use my hands and do some drawing and things like that, which I like to do. So I hope you like this build. Stay tuned. This is a new channel. I'm going to be doing my best to updating more content as much as I possibly can. So be sure to like and subscribe. And Jack, what else do I do?
Come on, you can't remember?
No, what is it? Like, subscribe,
Notifications and comments.
notifications, and comments, and the bell, right?
That's notifications.
Bell is the notifications?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So yeah, do all that stuff, and hopefully this channel can grow, and I'll do more videos for you guys. I hope you like them.
When do I get a chance on video?
You're not gonna be on video.
No.
Sorry. What's Mom making for dinner?
She said you're cooking.
I'm cooking.
Yeah.
Sushi tonight.
Yeah!
I gotta remember to look at this. Damn it. Why are you staring at me? Punk.
Put it on bloopers.
Now I gotta put it on bloopers. I'm an influencer. Michelle! I can hear you. This is a studio, not a house.